In case you don't know, my name is Amy from Friday. So today I'm going to be reviewing a package that I ordered in 1 week, eventually. So yeah, gonna be reviewing it. So it's gonna be hard to do, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna review the package. You can't really see my face right now, so I'm just gonna get the package in 1 moment. So just like, give me a second or something, maybe. Okay, so I got the package right here. Comes in really nice packaging. Came in really nice packaging, as you can see here. Came in like really nice packaging, like little twin stars packaging. I don't really know what are their names, but it's okay, I guess. Oh my god, it's so hard to tell the camera back. Okay, so here it is. I got some scissors. Do not play these scissors. These are like you don't want to like cut your finger off. It just gets weird. But I'm gonna do it. Right. Okay. I don't really want to cut the plastic. Oh, I just got it open. Okay. So here it is. Cut it right there. So. Okay, this is a really big plastic bag. So I don't know how to shoot. Oh my god, there's still some more stuff there, so I have to cut it. Okay, that's it. Well, anyways, I'm gonna have you guys have the first peek. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but okay. This camera quality is like really bad right now. So, hey guys, I haven't peeked in there yet. So, can you guys see it? Anything so you guys can see? So, anyways, and I ordered this package from. This is a Skit squishy camera. So. Yeah, I hope she doesn't actually scammed it. So I'm trying to pull in what is the first thing in here. So let's find the first thing. I can't. Ooh, okay. The first thing I pull out is, it says extras. So there's right here. Don't ruin the packaging. That's hard. I think she actually made this packaging with paper, but. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna let you guys have the first good news. So, ooh, she gave me a lipstick eraser. It's really fun. It's real pretty. Thank you so much. Ooh, I really need like school home glue. Like I need white glue. Like I really need this. So, thank you so much for the extras. Well, the next thing that's in here. Okay. Here's the next thing. Ooh, it says note or invoice. I actually don't know. I only ordered 2 squishies, by the way, because it's so hard to do it. So this is what it says right here. I'll just read it really quick to you guys. 1 jumbo donut squishy for $70, which is really expensive. 1 jumbo tofu squishy for $90, which is super duper expensive. So thank you for that note. Anyways, oh wait guys, I just realized that here it says no refunds, so that's just kind of rude. But it's okay. So, I'm gonna pull up my first squishy. Ooh, I feel something really tiny, but I think it's maybe another extra or something. Or that should just fall out of it or something. Ooh, what is this? So this looks like a tofu squishy, but it's really hard. Let's see, it's not really squishy at all. It's just colored, I can tell, by permanent marker, I guess. Like what? Oh my god. Is this like tofu squishy, or maybe it's extra that fall off of the extra bag, but the extra bag was taped, sealed, looked really sticky, really sealed, but maybe it's like too big, but it's really tiny though. Maybe like she just like don't want to put it inside, maybe, or maybe she's scared that it actually stains the bag. So yeah, maybe it's that reason or something. I mean, it's not really cute, but it's okay. Not sure if this is my tofu squishy, because I don't want her to scam me, so like, look at this. So I'm just squishing this, or is this actually like a stress ball? Like, this is probably a makeup sponge colored in red permanent marker. Okay, moving on. So squishy. Oh, what is this? Is this an extra or something? Because I did not order something like that. I mean, I actually did, but I ordered it jumbo, and this is not really jumbo. Like a really huge one, like a really big, like almost bigger than my face. So I'm not sure about this. I mean, it has a lot of defects, as you can see. Like, look, and then like some right here. There's some right there, as you can see. So I'm not gonna do that again, because I think it might have more defects. So let's see what's the next thing. Hold on. Is this for real? Like, this actually for real? Guys, I think I got scammed. Okay, I think I get like scammed, unless this is a
Hello, we're dirty the whole room again,
okay.
Huh?
That's my grandpa, guys. Okay, here's another squishy. So this is actually a spoof, guys. For real, it's actually a spoof. So like, yeah, I forgot to say one more, and this was my tofu squishy, and this was my donut squishy. But it's okay. And actually, like, had to color this because like I don't really have a tofu squishy. You get it? Tofu squishy. So it's really squishy right here. And comment down below if you guys want more squishy or slime scam. I don't really have slime, so I'm just gonna do squishy scams, not like squishy scam, like life is a squishy scam or something. And I think I'm gonna upload it by today. I mean, it is raining, I guess, but I am using my phone to record. Here's my camera charging. The phone has a unicorn pop-up socket. I'll show you. I know how to show you by like putting you guys in a mirror. So I'll show you, as you can see, has a unicorn hop socket. See right here, and it's S8 or S9. Actually, I don't know, but or it's Note 9. Definitely not Note 9 because I can't use Note 9. But if you know Jenny from that Kill This Love video, she has a Note 9 phone, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna squirt this. Like, I really love this because it's like red. Oh my god, like, look at this. Oh my god. And I actually like bought this squishy like almost yesterday. I had to buy it for this video. Like, yeah. So, tomorrow I'm going to Zania. So, peace out, guys. And Kai. Kai means hi in Kazan. Like, do you guys know how to speak Kazan? Like, do you know how to speak hi in Kazan? Yeah, which is put your 2 fingers right here, put it on your chest, and say Kai. So, yeah. And seriously, I did not find any packaging except for this really, really big one. This can't even fit my whole camera.
Mommy is going away for this one.
I know.
Sunday, if I come got mood, we will buy food, go to Sunday.
Okay.
Go Kusang house. To Megan house. See how.
Okay. So, yep. And peace, you guys. I'll see you next time.